Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited. It's a ONGC subsidiary, so they have released couple of vacancy in finance domain. So let's discuss them. Friends, MRPL has released the notification for assistant executive in E2 grade. Here the name of post is finance or internal audit. The total 4 vacancies are there. And the minimum qualification asked is graduate with either a CA, CMA or you should be a MBA finance, then only you are eligible to apply. As far as the reservation is concerned, so out of 4 posts, 2 posts are for unreserved category candidate and remaining 2 are for reserved category candidates. Now the age criteria. So friends, here the maximum age limit should be 27 years for unreserved category candidate and the cutoff date to decide this age limit is 15 January 2020. So do keep this in mind. It is forward date and not the backward date from which you have to calculate your age limit. Then there is a relaxation for OBC category candidate also. You can check them. Now the qualification and other criteria. So here they have mentioned that wherever MBA is mentioned that it should be 2-year postgraduate degree. Now for finance and internal audit, here they have asked your minimum criteria. If you are applying based on CA or CMA degree, then your passing marks will be sufficient. But if you are applying based on MBA finance, then minimum 60% is required for unreserved category and OBC category candidate and 50% for PWD candidate. Then only you are eligible to apply. So do keep this in mind and you can't round off your marks. So it has to be 60% and above, not 59.99%. Now pay scales. So friends, here your starting basic pay will be rupees 50,000 per month and you will be placed on training period in the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000 as per the company rules, and apart from that you will also be paid all the benefits and allowances of the company. Now here the important thing is that you need to execute a service bond. For general category 3 lakh rupees bond is to be executed, and for EWS OBC SC/ST category rupees 50,000 service bond is to be executed to serve the company for minimum period of 3 years. Now selection process, very important. So friends, here your selection will be based on written test, group discussion and personal interview, and you will be called in the ratio of 1:5. That is, for every 1 post 5 candidates will be called for group discussion and personal interview based on your marks scored by you in your written test. And they have mentioned that in order to qualify the written test, you need to score minimum percentage. For unreserved category, 60% marks you need to score in your written test, and for person with benchmark disability, 50% is the minimum criteria that you need to score to qualify for GD and PI. Now pattern of written test. So your written test will be of 3 hours and in which total 150 questions will be asked, which is divided into 3 sections. Part 1 will be related to general awareness, which will have 30 marks, and your part 2, that is very important, related to your technical syllabus. Here the total 100 questions will be asked, and your part 3 related to aptitude test of 20 questions. So like this, total 150 questions will be asked, and there is a good news is that there will not be any negative marking and each question will have 1 mark. So you can attempt all the questions and your question paper will be in both language, that is English and Hindi. Now some other general instructions are also mentioned. As I already informed that the eligibility criteria, here date for calculating eligibility criteria is 15th January 2023. So by this date you should meet all the eligibility criteria, and if you have any clarification or any doubt, you can contact them at the mentioned email address to resolve your queries. Application fee. Friends, for general, OBC and EWS candidate, you need to pay application fee of rupees 118. So that's really a good thing that they have kept application fee at very low, and for reserved category candidate it is exempt. Now how to fill the application form? So friends, you have to fill the application form through online mode only by visiting the company's website. You can check the all details in the notification mentioned how to fill and all those things in detail. Now some important date. So friends, here your cutoff date for deciding your age limit is 15th January 2023. Online application starts from 17th December 2022 and it will go till 15th January 2023. So almost 1 month is given to you to fill up the application form, and date of written test, group discussion and PI will be informed to you through company's website. So that's all friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do fill up the vacancy form. If you're meeting the eligibility criteria, you will get a good exposure of working in a PSU organization, and also share with your friends and family whom you find that this vacancy might be useful. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.